Is your backyard turning into a wild jungle? Is the grass out of control, the weeds growing like crazy, and your regular trimmer just giving up? You're not the only one. Every year, thousands of people struggle to keep their yards neat, clean, and under control, not because they're lazy, but because they don't have the right tools. And the truth is, no matter how hard you try, if you're not using the proper equipment, the weeds will win. But today, that's about to change. We're taking a close look at the top 3 budget brush cutters on Amazon, hand-picked for 2024. These aren't just affordable, they're effective. We've reviewed performance, durability, real user experiences, and put together this list for homeowners, garden lovers, and even small-scale landowners who want real results without paying professional landscaping prices. Let's get into it. Number 1. FUXTEC Multifunction Gas Brush Cutter. Let's start strong. The FUXTEC brush cutter isn't your average yard tool. It's a multifunctional, heavy-duty garden warrior. We're talking about a 52cc 2-stroke engine that delivers strong, consistent cutting power, enough to slice through thick grass, heavy weeds, and even low-hanging branches without breaking a sweat. But here's the beauty of it, it's not just a brush cutter. This machine adapts. With quick change attachments, you can switch between 3 powerful modes: grass trimmer, hedge trimmer, pole saw. Need to tidy the edge of your lawn? Done. Want to shape the hedges in your front yard? Done. Need to reach high branches that your regular tools can't touch? Done. With FUXTEC, you're not buying one tool, you're buying a complete garden solution. Now let's talk comfort and usability, because that matters too. The machine includes a double shoulder harness that makes it easier to carry, even for longer jobs. It's got a low vibration system that helps reduce arm fatigue, and the handle is fully adjustable, which makes it comfortable for users of different heights and strengths. You'll notice the difference immediately, not just in how it performs, but in how you feel after using it. Another key feature is the Easy Start system. If you've ever struggled with pull cords and engines that just won't start, you'll appreciate how this motor gets going quickly and stays smooth through the work. And thanks to its fuel-efficient design, it doesn't eat up gas like older models. So who is this for? If you've got multiple garden needs, or if you're tired of switching between different tools and wasting time, this is your upgrade. It's powerful, versatile, and built to take on almost anything your yard throws at it. And once you try it, you'll wonder why you didn't get it sooner. Number 2. AEL GFT Cordless Grass Trimmer. Now let's shift gears. Not everyone wants a gas engine or a heavy machine. Some people just want a tool that's simple, lightweight, quiet, and gets the job done without a fuss. And that's exactly what the AEL GFT Cordless Trimmer delivers. This tool is ideal for homeowners who want to keep their yard looking clean without needing a machine that feels like it belongs on a farm. Let's break it down. This trimmer is powered by a reliable 8V lithium-ion battery, which means no cords, no fuel, no noise, no smoke. Just push a button and go. It's perfect for everyday jobs, trimming the grass along the fence, cleaning up flower bed edges, or getting that nice crisp line down the sidewalk. One of its standout features is the rotating head. With a quick twist, you can switch from horizontal trimming to vertical edging, no tools required. That means you're not only cleaning your lawn, you're giving it shape, definition, and style. And you're doing it easily. Now let's talk about comfort. The AEL GFT is lightweight, making it great for longer sessions. And the handle adjusts in both height and angle, so you can find your sweet spot. This makes it suitable for everyone in the house, whether it's mom, dad, or even a teenager learning how to take care of the yard for the first time. Despite its size, this trimmer is surprisingly strong. It cuts with precision and consistency, so you're not going back over the same spot again and again. And with the included battery and charger, you're always ready to go. If you're looking for a tool that's efficient, easy to handle, and perfect for urban or small space gardening, the AEL GFT is a smart choice. It's not built for clearing a jungle, it's built for keeping your lawn looking great with minimal effort and maximum comfort. Number 3. GREENCUT GGT 650X9 Gas Brush Cutter. Now we go full beast mode. If you've got a large property, a rural plot, or areas that feel more like wilderness than garden, you need a tool that can handle real, brutal cutting work. And the GREENCUT GGT 650X9 is exactly that tool. This thing is not for the faint of heart. With a 65cc engine and a maximum output of 9,000 RPM, this machine has enough torque to slice through thick undergrowth, tangled brush, and tall weeds with ease. You could clear an overgrown trail, a field, or even prep land for planting. Included are 2 cutting heads, a 3-blade steel cutter for heavy-duty jobs, a nylon spool for standard grass trimming. It's like having 2 serious tools in one, ready to tackle any part of your property. And even though it's powerful, it doesn't punish the user. It comes with a double shoulder harness that balances the load evenly. The vibration dampening system reduces stress on your hands, arms, and back, so you can work for longer without exhaustion. The build quality is also worth noting. Everything feels solid. From the engine casing to the blade guards, it's built to withstand rough use, outdoor abuse, and long hours of labor. If you live in the countryside or manage land regularly, this is a tool that won't let you down. The GGT 650X9 is a favorite among farmers, ranchers, and rural homeowners, not because it's flashy, but because it works. And in tough jobs, that's what really matters. Final thoughts: which one is right for you? Let's make this easy. If you want a versatile, all-in-one tool that replaces several garden machines in one, go with the FUXTEC. If you prefer a light, cordless, and beginner-friendly trimmer that makes lawn care easy and enjoyable, the AEL GFT is for you. And if you're taking on wild terrain, dense vegetation, or serious land maintenance, the GREENCUT will get the job done with raw power and confidence. Each of these tools offers outstanding value. They're affordable, efficient, and most importantly, they work. You'll find all 3 linked in the description below. Compare features, check today's prices, and pick the one that best suits your needs. Don't let your outdoor space overwhelm you. Get the right tool and reclaim your yard one cut at a time. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments which of these brush cutters fits your life. We'll see you in the next one.